us, you know, chocolate sisters, we love to glow. And I know I'm about to glow all summer 18, man. All summer 18. Telling you, we finna glow up. We all about to be glowing. Hey my confidants, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being on my page, welcome. It's your girl Zay, aka, I was just kidding. Watch the first video if you haven't. And I know you guys are waiting for this proposal video. I know I'm waiting too. Shade, it's coming. I kind of have to wait until my schedule and somebody else's schedule are aligned. So you're gonna get it, I promise. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy the videos that I am dropping. I know the hype kind of calmed down a little bit. Rihanna released her Body Lava like 2 weeks ago. I got this in the mail. Well, I'll let you see the sign. I did order it the day that it came out, April 6th. I'm gonna remember that because that's my little sister's birthday. Hey Miriam. No, I'm not sponsored, y'all. I'm not that big yet. I bought this with my own hard-working coins. He made a transfer from my savings to my check-ins to buy this. I'm excited. I know you can tell by the smile on my face. We're about to open this up real fast. I want some of your brown sugar. Before I get to the main product, I'm just gonna talk about all the other stuff I ordered that I didn't have any business ordering. I definitely did order some more foundation that I did not need. I really don't know why I ordered it. But I'm thinking about going to Sephora to exchange it for something else because I still have my foundation and it's the shade $450. But I really didn't need to buy this. Mine is still halfway full. So I just got really anxious while I was ordering. So I was like, ooh, let me get this, ooh, let me get this, ooh, let me get this. And I kept going, you know? I got this Smashbox sample. There we go. You know, it's real cute. I got Cover Fix sample. I don't know. Oh, I got my deep hydration face cream. And it's a sample as well. I feel so official whenever I do that. All right, let me just get to the moment we've all been waiting for. The Body Lava. And I did get a Kabuki brush as well. I didn't need it, but I got it. And guess what? Shout out to Sephora for throwing in an extra one by mistake. No, holla at me if you want it. Probably not. Anyway, this is such a lovely box. Riri, boo, you outdid yourself. You know, I know you're not gonna see this video, but I actually, you know, hope one day you do see it. But you keep doing it for the people. You keep doing it for us, okay? I really should have got the other shade, but I was trying to be a responsible adult, you know, and only get what I needed. I mean, I didn't need it, but you know, you get what I'm saying. You get. I guess I can put the Pro Filter foundation next to the box, and you can see how big this box really is. Like, okay, see you later. I'm gonna stop running my trap because I know everybody's waiting for me to open this, you know. I'm just shaking. Here it is. I want some of your brown sugar. I'm gonna open it. I don't want to use it. I just want to sit it on, you know, sit it in the bathroom and just look at it because it's so pretty. Okay. My whole face is all Riri. I have nothing on but Riri. I have Pro Filter foundation, shade 450. I have the contour matchsticks, the highlight. I have the highlighter, kilowatt. I even have the lip gloss. They're just, you know, a real fan, real stan right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Kabuki brush. I love you too. Have a good day. Call me, text me if you want to reach me. Call me, feed me if you want to reach me. Nah, for real, have a good day. I love you. So first we're gonna put it on the Kabuki. Okay. She said you only need 1 pump, so here we go. Wait, I want some more. Before I look at it, I want some more. I know y'all might see it, but I can't really see it. I'm not looking in the mirror. But it smells really good. It's like perfume. It looks like perfume, smells like perfume. Oh. Fuck 'em up, son. All right. I might be overdoing it, but that's okay. The brush is really actually soft. Oh my God. Shining, 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 shining. It's giving you after shower kind of shoulder. I want some of your, yes. Oh, I just looked in the mirror, oh my God. Breathe. You've really outdone yourself, honey. You have outdone yourself completely. Completely. We're gonna keep it going, honey. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Not oh my God, oh my God. Really only need 1 pump, but I've done like 10 already. This is amazing, and it smells like brown sugar. It smells really good. Oh my God. Y'all, please. You know, when is he gonna be ready to go on vacation? Because I'm ready. Oh. Don't, oh my goodness. It does smell good going on. It is sticky. I don't know if it's gonna dry. I would like for it to dry. If I put on too much. Did I put on too much? I did get kind of carried away. Like, question is, did I put on enough? I hope that you can actually tell the difference from before I started till now. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Do I see myself using it every time I wear a dress like this? Probably, because I'm extra. I am very extra. Like, this is just making me, I'm looking in the mirror and I feel like Keisha in Belly. Google her. Her body through the whole movie was shining. You know, that's how I feel right now, you know. Was it worth it? Yes, it definitely was. Like I said, I did get brown sugar. I wish I would have got the other one, Who Needs Clothes. I love that name, Who Needs Clothes. I want some of your brown sugar. I can't sing and I'm on here singing. I should be ashamed of myself. Definitely when I get the body pom-pom, I wouldn't get that. I think that's a waste of money, my personal opinion. You know, those of you who already have gotten it, kudos to you. If I wasn't poor, I would definitely get it so I could just sit it on my dresser just for, you know, aesthetic reasons. But yeah, you're not missing nothing if you didn't get it. But if you did not get this, boo, you missing out. Hell, 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 hey. Oh. Ew. Ew. I want some of your brown sugar. That was a review on Rihanna's Body Lava. Like I said through the whole video, it's definitely worth every dollar I spent, every penny I spent. I would do it again. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it to be useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and become a confidant. And stay tuned. If you have any questions, let me know that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more things like this. And see you later. Peace.